Hello, today I would like to show you the app made for the company Country Enterprise Inc. Um, the app was made for the customers of the company. Anybody could use it. It would be helpful for a lot of different types of people, but was specifically made for the users of Country Enterprise Inc. Um, the app can be accessed from the Country Enterprise Inc. website, and once they get to this page, they would be able to download it. Um, so here's a short description of the application. This is the icon they would see on their cell phone. Um, we chose a picture of grass with skies in the background. It reminds people of landscaping, and it's a distinct picture that they would easily be able to see in a sea of other icons on their phone. Next, they would see a splash screen of the logo of the company, Country Enterprise Inc. Once they get into the app, they'll see this nice banner, custom made for Country Enterprise Inc. The first tab here, you see is weather. This shows the weather for Hanson, Mass, where the company is located. It also has some other options like pollen level, Doppler radar. This will be helpful for the customers to be able to pick a nice day for them to receive their mulch, and also a time for them to spread the mulch. There's nothing worse than getting a nice pile of mulch or loam or stones and having it get rained on that day. It sort of ruins the experience to begin with. So we found that this would be helpful for not only when they're trying to buy mulch from the company, but also any other time they want to check the weather. The next tab is Yard Improvement News. As you scroll down, this is a feed from our website that shows trends for current landscaping techniques. Trends are constantly changing, so they might be able to find interesting or helpful information to help them buy the correct mulch or loam that they would like to use. This updates all the time. Next, we have the Find Landscapers tab. This is in case the customer does not want to spread the mulch themselves. They'll be able to use this app to get in contact with a landscaper or handyman to help spread the mulch for them. Since the company Country Enterprise Inc. does not offer that service, they would be able to use the app to find someone to do it for them. This will get customers to come back to this company and to use the app more often anytime they need a landscaper just for a one-time job or just year-round. They can use this app to find them. It is set to just find landscapers in the area of Hanson, Massachusetts. The fourth tab we have is how-to videos. This shows all different how-to videos on spreading mulch. It can be a difficult process to do, so this will help them do it correctly. They can click on the videos and it will take them to YouTube. There are several different options for videos, and these would also update all the time. The customer can come back anytime they want to spruce up on their yard work techniques. The final tab we have here is a photo for the customers to look at. In the simulation of the app maker, it does not let you see what the photo is, but I have the photo here. It's a chart, and it explains how to decide how much mulch you'll need. Most companies sell their mulch in cubic yards, which some people are not sure how to calculate, but they do know how to get the square footage that they need. So here they can decide how deep they want their mulch to be. If they want a layer of coverage from 1 inch to 4 inches of their mulch, loam, or stones, and then they would divide that by the square footage of their garden, and it would get them their cubic yards that they would need. So this can be helpful to make sure that the customer orders the correct amount of mulch from the company. Overall, this would be a helpful app for any customer of Country Enterprise. They could come back and use the tabs for all sorts of different things year-round.